So hi, I'm Birgit. I'm a nutritionist in Clinic Buchinger-Wilhelmi, and I would like to share with you my 5 tips for a good alternative and perfect fasting day. And first of all, I think don't put the pressure on you to have the perfect fasting day. I think it doesn't exist, but you can do a few things to have really a very good day and you're very happy with yourself. First of all, I think it starts the day before, the night before. Please prepare yourself for a longer sleep. Go to bed around 10, 11 p.m. latest and have a good sleep. Sometimes in fasting, it's not a deep sleep, so you will maybe get up at 6 or 7 and then shower yourself in this beautiful light in the morning. It's a very special light and it nourishes us. It brings our inner rhythm in a good pattern. It helps our hormones to get in a rhythm. So please profit from that. Have a little walk, maybe 30 minutes in that early morning. Then another very important part is for me to connect with your body. So organize a nice massage or another nice treatment for your body. Maybe have a swim and do something good for your body. Because your body is doing so much good things for you the whole year, and now you give something back to your body. The third thing is connect with your need to nourish yourself. Sometimes people tell me, well, I have just the powder and I mix that to have a soup. No, please, do yourself the favor, buy fresh vegetables, maybe from a local farmer that's in season, and do your own soup. You will see it's a completely different taste and you're proud of yourself because you did something very healthy for yourself. Fourth is connect with your friends. I guess that's very important. We all know about with COVID that we got in separation now, and it's time to reconnect and come back to your friends. Maybe organize a walk with them. It's not all about to have a drink or have dinner together. No, try something new and maybe organize a walk with them. Okay, and fifth, last but not least, and one of the most important things for me is connect with your soul. Do some meditation or some yoga or anything that suits you, because it's very important to go a bit deeper. And if there are anxieties or any fears coming up, please welcome them because we grow on our challenges. So I hope you liked my tips. And please leave me a comment and a like if you like the video. And please follow our channel. See you next time.